Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to delete incognito history on iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap where it says Advanced. Once you are on this page, tap where it says Website Data. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Remove All Website Data. Then tap Remove Now to confirm your action. Incognito mode, also known as private browsing or in private mode, prevents your device from saving your browsing history. Incognito mode also doesn't save temporary data, such as cookies or website login info, which helps keep your activity hidden from anyone who uses your device later. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.